Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using NowRx. NowRx, accessible at https://nowrxdemo.webflow.io, presents an intriguing approach to prescription fulfillment and delivery. While their demo site offers a glimpse into their services, it doesn't fully capture the user experience of their actual platform. The sleek and modern design promises a streamlined process, emphasizing speed and convenience. The site highlights features like same-day delivery, prescription transfers, and online consultations, all aimed at simplifying medication management. The user interface appears clean and intuitive, suggesting a user-friendly experience, although without actually using the app, it's difficult to assess true functionality. The information architecture is straightforward, allowing visitors to quickly find details about services, pricing, and FAQs. One notable aspect is their focus on incorporating technology to enhance efficiency, such as their automated pharmacy and delivery system. This focus on automation is prominently displayed throughout the website, underscoring their commitment to rapid and reliable service. While the demo website effectively communicates NowRx's core offerings and value proposition, it lacks interactive elements that would allow potential users to truly grasp the platform's capabilities. For instance, a simulated prescription ordering process or a virtual tour of their facilities would significantly enrich the user experience and provide a more comprehensive understanding of their unique approach. Further exploration of their actual platform and services would be required to evaluate the efficacy and user-friendliness touted on the demo site. Ultimately, the NowRx demo website provides a promising first impression, highlighting their focus on innovative technology and convenient medication management. However, it leaves potential users wanting more in terms of interactive experiences and a deeper dive into the platform's practical functionalities. A hands-on experience with the real application is essential for a truly informed assessment of NowRx's services.